this is how a toilet flush, how the flush toilet works. So here's our valve. Now let's pull it up and it'll pull up the flapper. Now you can see the flush is happening here. Mine is configured to flush twice. So you'll see it go all the way down. And this one does. My dad had actually replaced the old parts. It used to probably have one of those a different one of these, and it would probably have a big ball over here. Now I think about it, it probably doesn't look like there was room for one of those. But I have seen one of those in Pokemon online, so. And it's filling up. And this will usually take quite a while because it's a very large tank, and I don't even know how much this flush is. I don't know how much GPF it is, but it's large. There's no more over here. So you can see, if you can see in the oil filter, the water's coming out. And you can see there's plenty of water on right there. So yeah, that's how the flush toilet works. Thank you for watching.